so good, guys. In 7-Eleven, it's a white malt. Yeah. So happy weekend. Today is Saturday. I just cleaning up, woke up, and just got breakfast already. So today we have planned to go the house and the garden expo which is Bangna. It's not too far from here, so we're gonna check something decoration for our rooms. So excited! It's pretty hot, guys. In here it's like 30s plus something. It's like hot season in Thailand, right? It's hot, right?
What is that?
How many degrees right now outside?
34.
34. Oh my god.
It's always 30. No, it's 32 here. It's 30.
Yeah.
It's gonna be even hotter soon. 33.
Okay, guys, we just moving to the new condo. It's so excited. We're so excited to decoration everything. But now at my old apartment, I have to move out in this Saturday, which is 30th of March. So this is just a move some little bit stuff, but another rest we will come to move again in 30. And yeah, it's busy a lot of moving stuff now. Living in like the high floor, which is very beautiful view. I really love it so much. We can see
15th
the view.
floor cap.
Yeah, we can see the view outside.
15th floor.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, anyway, it's 15th floor, guys, and you can see the view outside of this. What a beautiful, oh my god. So yeah, guys, this is live update lately. So yeah, let's go to Bangna to find it something decoration our room. Clean, you know. Hi guys, we just came back home from the IKEA. The plan we got is a huge plan. We have to take the Lala Move application for moving. So we have planned to put in around the TV furniture. It's like feel like small, colorful, you know. And I got a little bit of the pot as well for the big one. This is my plan again. Forgot what it's called, but yeah, got the pink pot. I like it so much. I'm gonna put this one in my bedroom, and this one is outside. Yeah. I also got the carpet. This one for the toilet. Then this for the salt. Small bottle. Whatever. Popcorn. Vanilla candle. Oh, it feels so good to have it. Yeah, this is all. So let's move the old pot to the new one. Got this one as well at the scissors. At first, we went to Bangna, the expo about garden and house, but there's nothing in there, so we decided to go Hemisphere instead in IKEA and got the plan. Yes, guys, it was so nice today to just walk around again and find some nice stuff. Just yeah, I really love it so much. Can spend time in there all day. Wow. Have to take this out. The rest in here. This is what my plan should be here. To buy my makeup, but I don't have the stuff yet to put it somewhere. It's kind of messy, but yeah, anyway, just ignore that and see this one. Really nice plant pot. Look at this, so pink. I really love it so much, guys. Haircut. Better?